कोलकाता से वापस लौटना इज ऑलवेज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. No, not because it is far away from Hyderabad, but mostly because of the emotions attached to it. Coming back post the pujas is even tougher. हम इस रास्ते पे काफ़ी बार ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं. इस रास्ते का हर चौराही, हर नुक्कड़ स्टेट बॉर्डर जैसे दिमाग में अपना ही एक मैप बना के बैठ गया है. और शायद इसीलिए ये ड्राइव उतना एडवेंचरस नहीं होने वाला था. तो चलिए थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके देख लेते हैं. शहर से थोड़ा बाहर पश्चिम बंगाल की गांव से होते हुए कहानी जारी रखते हैं. ये कहानी हमारी घर से बाहर वाली घर तक के हैं, कोलकाता से हैदराबाद तक की है. इस व्लॉग को इस बार थोड़ा गैलपिंग वे में पेश करने वाले हैं हम. डिटेल व्लॉग चाहिए तो इसको देख लीजिए. चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं आगे की कहानी. 1600 किलोमीटर की कहानी अपनी
So like
जुबानी
you
में.
know, we came to Kolkata to celebrate Durga Puja after many years and we had a great time. It is time to say bye-bye to Kolkata. Today is 19th October and we are on our way back to Hyderabad. Good morning everyone and welcome to the Bong
Took
Wanderers.
that shortcut also.
You are calling yourself an idiot.
What to do? I proved myself to be an idiot at that time. No?
And that short, so how short was the shortcut, Papa?
The shortcut was actually too short for the cart to drive on, and that to the old Andul road, where there is everything, right from Toto
This is
to auto
Otto's brother Toto. Yeah, please
To-
continue, Papa.
to cycle rickshaws
To public bus.
to huge trucks like the one in front of us.
Okay, it's 8. We took 40 minutes of breakfast break. Now back on N816. Our official next milestone is Bhubaneswar, where we are planning to have lunch. It would be around 6 hours. 6 hours, 6.5 for us to reach Bhubaneswar. I mean, let's see. It's all on the Almighty. But so far, the road condition is good. Samrat is actually saying that we are back on this road for like in 4 months. We are back on this road in 4 months, and he's saying that the road condition seems to be better, which is great, right? So let's see. I hope it stays that way. Not sure once we cross the Orissa border, but still 2 hours to go before the crossover. ধনধান্যে পুষ্পে ভরা আমাদের এই বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশ এক সকল দেশের সেরা, ও সেই স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সেজেই স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা.
এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি, সকল দেশে নারী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি. মায়ের এত স্নেহ কোথায় গেলে?
We are crossing river Subarnarekha. उड़ीसा में ड्राइव कर रहे तो उड़ीसा को हमारा ट्रिब्यूट फ्रॉम बॉन्ग वंडरर्स. हियर इट गोज. 3, 2, 1 गो. जय जगन्नाथ.
बलराम सुभद्रा.
10:37 stopped for a quick tea break and someone is on her bio break. गाड़ी रुकते ही जिसका bio break का जरूरत हो जाता है. A quick update on the road condition. Now the condition of N816 is better as long as you are in West Bengal. The moment you cross over and enter Orissa, the condition deteriorates. Though we must say, compared to our trip 4 months back, we found the road condition much better in Orissa, but it's still not to the mark. And as you can see on your screen, the road condition, particularly I think after Balasore, after Balasore, the road condition is definitely not good. And we are 15 minutes away from Bhubaneswar.
50.
That happens because I've taken a nap, right? So after 50 minutes, we will be in Bhubaneswar, where we will also do our Pet Puja. Crossing Mahanadi. Driving through the busy streets of Kataka. And we are here for our lunch break at Bhubaneswar. So those who know us and have seen our earlier trips from Hyderabad to Kolkata and back, you know that this is our go-to place whenever we are traveling between Kolkata and Vizag. It's called Living Room. It's part of the Presidency Hotel. We always stop here for our lunch break, and this is the same case this time. So we have stopped for a lunch break. The beauty of this place is it's an excellent place to take your lunch breaks and washroom breaks. Washrooms are super clean, fantastic place, lovely ambience, superb stuff, quick service. What else you need? Alright, lunch done. 50 minutes of lunch break only. We are now back on the road. Alright, we are crossing Chilika Ghati now, the largest brackish water lake of Asia. Do you know that Chilika Ghati is the largest breeding ground for flamingos, Papa? Yeah. Yes, and it is the hotspot for the flamingo enthusiasts of the world. Okay, a mini cow conference on the road, or a procession rather. Wow. So we are officially now in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, again another cow, water buffalo conference on the road. That's why you need to be very careful while driving on the road, particularly in India, because any moment a cow conference or a water buffalo conference can greet you. And finally we have arrived at our tea joint. So that's the place, Tiffin Meals Palace or Tea Palace. This was the same spot where we stopped on our way to Kolkata. And it's the same place we have stopped now for a quick chai break. Yahan ki chai is awesome. 150 more kilometers to go. It's 5:20 and we leave you with amazing views on the screen. reach Bhimli.
ये देखो सामने क्या जा रहा है, 2 चक्के पे हाथी चल रहा है.
7:20 and we are almost there, minutes away from our hotel. And so today we covered a distance of 850 kilometers in 13 and a half hours.
That's a record for us.
Yeah, sort of. According to Google, it was 15 hours, the duration. So we made it
First time we have beat Google.
touch wood. I think partly because we took a little less break comparatively, and also the road.
उदास मन को समझाऊं कैसे कि जीवन तो एक कश्ती है, लहरों से गुजरते हुए किनारों के तरफ तैरते जैसे. पर दिल है जो कमबख्त कहता है कि 2 पल ऐसे ही रुक जा, 2 बातें ऐसे ही कह जा, 2 वक्त ऐसे ही ठहर जा, कुछ नई कुछ अनोखी कर जा. कल तो वैसे भी आएगा, जिंदगी तो वैसे भी कटेगा, पर पल जो ये आज चला जाए वो कल क्या खाक लौट के आएगा.
Journey started 6:40 in the morning. We got pretty late by 40 minutes. Today we are covering a distance of 712 kilometers door to door, and it's going to take, according to Google Baba, around 12 hours. So hopefully by 7:30 we will make it to Hyderabad. Whenever we do this journey from Hyderabad to Kolkata or Kolkata to Hyderabad, we come to Vizag. We stay for 2 nights. We give 1 day break for the captain of the ship to recharge and rejuvenate. So yesterday was a break. We just chilled out, took rest, much needed rest, and today we are on our way back to Hyderabad. We are staying at the Novotel Bhimli Beach Resort on Varun Beach. If you want to check out this property review, do visit our channel and you have a detailed property review. Very good resort. Most importantly, it's a pet friendly resort. Staff is extremely warm, attentive, agile. It's a pretty good deal if you want to get a good view of the beach as well as enjoy a good hospitality. That should be your place of stay at Bhimli. ये देखो भूखे आत्मा को. Enjoy food. You want biscuit? You want biscuit? Enjoy. इसका भी ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया. अब ये हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट के पीछे है. तो ये है अपनी चाय की दुकान and it's right on NH16, and the good news is that there is an exit and it's right on the exit point. So भगवान ने इसको हमारे लिए भेजा है. ये देखो भाई, just look at this. Extremely unsafe.
Oh, sofa. They're taking sofa.
Okay, it is 9:17. There's a lot of noise around. We have stopped at a roadside tea shop. Samrat at the back is literally taking Angel into task because she refused to drink water when we stopped for breakfast break. और उसको अभी पानी पीना है. तो एंजल को जब भी भूख लगती है, पानी पीनी होती है, so she makes a sound like, how does she make a sound, Muffin? So she doesn't bark. वो ऐसे ही साउंड करती है, तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि उसको या तो उसको भूख लगी है, प्यास लगी है, या तो उसको वॉशरूम जाना है. एनीवेज, वॉशरूम नहीं जाना, मतलब ब्रेक लेना है, टी ब्रेक लेना है. तो चाय के लिए रुके हैं. फीलिंग ऑल्सो वेरी स्लीपी. एनर्जी लेवल्स तो डाउन है क्योंकि हम वापस जा रहे हैं घर, बैक टू आर रूटीन लाइफ. तो इसलिए एनर्जी लेवल डाउन है. काफ़ी सारे ब्रेक्स, मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. सो अभी फ़िलहाल चाय का ब्रेक.
So there is this tea shop. Okay? In the tea shop it's written self-service. Okay? There was no one in the tea shop. Now there are a lot of people. Okay? When I went, I paid. She took the money. She went inside the kitchen, prepared the tea and kept in the self-service booth and came out. Then I realized,
She
okay,
could have
there
easily
is-
given it to you directly.
Then I realized that there is self-service written. So whatever it is, I should go and pick up from there only. So I did that. So this is your following of SOPs.
And we are again stopping for a tea break, this time at Habitat at Rajamundry.
So we stopped at Habitat just ahead of Rajamundry for a quick tea break. Too early for lunch, so we are pushing off, and we'll probably stop at Garuda for our lunch
Okay,
break.
we are bypassing Rajamundry now, also called Raja Mahendravaram earlier. Do you know that Rajamundry is actually the birthplace of Telugu language and literature and is home to the first Telugu poet Adi Kavi Nananya? We are now getting into Godavari Bridge. Beautiful river Godavari, also known as Dakshin Ganga. Enjoy the view. Okay, we have now stopped at Garuda for our lunch break. It's around 12:26. I think it's a perfect time to have lunch. तो भाई हम आज lunch KFC में किए. It is 1:27 and done with the lunch break. We had a completely unhealthy and junk food for lunch. We had chicken burgers from KFC and of course Pepsi, the most unhealthy drink, but we had it today. What to do? Guilty. अभी जाके एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और वापस हेल्दी डाइट करेंगे to make it up. So if you're on your way back to Hyderabad from Vizag, you have two choices basically that we would recommend. One is Habitat at Rajamundry. Excellent place, lot of choices, superb washrooms. And the second one is Garuda, which is how many kilometers? 10.
It's about 13 kilometers before Eluru if you are going from Vizag to Hyderabad.
You heard him. And again, you have options of normal, Indian food, as well as you also have KFC. So yeah, another good choice. Washrooms are okay. It is 2:27. We are driving through Vijayawada. Do you know that Vijayawada is one of the oldest cities of India? And do you know that the famous Kohinoor diamond, which is right now no longer in India, actually was found in the Kullur mines near Vijayawada. तो विजयवाड़ा ने हमको कोहिनूर दिया था भाई. It is 2:45 now. We are still driving through Vijayawada. It's going to take some time. But we are right now on NH65. तो हमने NH16 को अभी फिलहाल बाय बाय बोल दिया until the next trip on NH16. We are right now on NH65 and we have completed 400 kilometers. Another 312 kilometers to go. Okay, spotted a huge Hanumanji. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. We are crossing a river called Kisara. Kisara Nadi ko dekho. And we are again here for a coffee break. Madras Filter Coffee, Murugan Coffee Shop. Okay, family break at Murugan Dhaba. Our princess has also taken a break, bio break. She got a lot of attention. Literally there was this mini crowd around her, but obviously I was not carrying the camera and couldn't film it. But everywhere she goes, she becomes the center of attraction. We are not surprised. It is 4:10 and we are in Telangana, our Karma Bhumi. It's a pretty vibrant place.
So we stopped at this Madras filter coffee in Nalgonda district. Okay, pretty vibrant place, quick coffee, feed the little one some biscuits and move off.
So it is 7:15 and we are in Hyderabad. We are minutes away from our destination. So overall it took us around 12 and a half hours to reach Hyderabad from Bhimli. But if we exclude the breaks that we have taken, it actually took us 9 hours because we took today 3 hours of break. That's a record that we have taken, maybe because we are on our way back home and energy levels are low. But it actually took us 9 hours today to reach Hyderabad. So on that note, it's a bye-bye from the Bong Wanderers, right? Take care, stay safe, keep exploring incredible India, keep traveling by road whenever you can, and keep watching our vlogs, keep supporting and loving us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night from all of us.